Hello again and welcome to another room here on TryHackMe. I'm gonna tackle the room today called Overpass. It's an old room. I think it's full of users. Haven't really been checking it out so far, but I guess it's all about what happens when computer science students try to make their own password manager. Now I want to say that on the bright side of this, I do teach a lot of students in computer science these days. I've been a teacher for 12 years now. And I also teach them OWASP and how not to do stuff and how to do stuff. So I guess this is something in that area. So let's get started. I booted up the room and let's start to visit the web page. It's called Overpass. There are different things. It's thinking. Okay, so about us. Seems like a slow box. Alright, so it came. Let's download. What's that? Some exe files. Very interesting. They're gonna give us the exe file. The source code is a Go script. Now, I don't know if we're gonna use this, but let's just go straight ahead and see download Overpass. Yeah, okay. Well, I think we should start our typical scans, because we haven't really done anything so far. So let's just start up our typical nmap scan. I don't think we're going to do anything else than just a standard version scan. And then at the same time, let's go ahead and start a GoBuster directory at this, and then user share word list derp, and then big.text, and the as in. There we go. Let's see what we get. So scan came back. We have a standard SSH, nothing really interesting, and some web server running, Google's language. Now I don't really think we need to do a full port scan, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. I do get a /admin, so I guess this is the time where we go /admin. And we get this login page. We can try stuff like test and test. No. We can try stuff like SQL injection. It doesn't really seem like this is gonna work. So let's try the more common one. And this is teasing me. There we go. Nah. So it seems very common, all this. Let's have a look at the source page code. And the login form is not sending to any particular place, which smells like JavaScript to me. Let's look at whatever scripts there is. Isn't the top cookie some standard cookie script, I would say. Login, there's a login script, and the main is console.log. Okay, so the login script is here. So we have a asynchronous post data, something about there we go, this login box. So we're gonna send this to somewhere on the other end, to API login. Doesn't really matter. It can be anything. I don't think we need to do it. When I see stuff like this, yeah, it's just like if we are getting correct credentials, we're being sent to admin with a cookie called session token. Okay. Well, this is admin, so let's take a look at the source page here and inspect the, what is it called in this browser? Storage, I think it is. Cache, storage, index, local, session. It doesn't really seem like it, but we could probably call this command status or cookie. Now, what could the status be? It's a string, and it doesn't really, well, let's just try and assume that we are going to do, what is this, console, this and there, and we're gonna call this, and the status is gonna be, I don't know anything, empty. Okay, so okay. We got a encrypted private key. Alrighty then. If you got the password, crack it yourself. I'm tired of fixing stuff for you all. So we really need to talk about this military-grade encryption paradox. Alright, so paradox is the probably user since you keep forgetting your password, James. So, you know, I think this is just broken authentication. OS top 10 broken authentication. I guess this is the way in. You know, I must admit I have no idea. It's just you know, you just said this, you know, and empty is good. I don't know. Weird, right? So let's right click the page, and by the way, when you copy paste a private key, never ever do it from the browser, because you're gonna get some characters and stuff. You know, it looks aligned, it looks very much aligned, but it is not. Take it from raw source like this, and do take it all. So we're gonna take this, and I think, oh, no room. Let's clear it, cd, clear again, and let's touch. Let's just call this paradox, and then RSA dot. I'm not really sure what to call this. It's a private key. Well, anyways, let's just nano into paradox, and there we have it. And let's do SSH to John, the paradox. Locate SSH to John, and this is the Python script. So SSH to John paradox. And let's save it in paradox underscore RSA dot text. Oh, sorry, it's just diverted. So we probably have a paradox. There we have it. So now we're gonna do John paradox dot text. Basically, just gonna feed it directly, not do anything crazy. And it's gonna take the password list from user shared John and password list, and it seems like we have a password called James13. Let's just try this. So do we have the SSH-I paradox RSA, and let's do where was it again? 10 10 93 89. Can we do this? Yes. James 13. No. James 13. No. Change smart. 600 paradox, I say. Let's do it one more time. James 13. James 13. God, it's probably not the password. I'm too fast. Nope. Why did I save it again? I can't find the window. Let's close this again and let's wait for this. We know that this is something that I kind of forgot. It is James, so we do have James at this, so that's the one. Oh, there we go. I just forgot the name because we did get it on the website. Let me just show one more time. Here it says, where was it? James. So that's, I guess since we got the name James 13 and the password, we could guess it like that. So we have a shell. Let's just have a check out here and say, all right, so ls home. Okay, so ls home James. Alright, so let's cat out whatever user flag there is and take that as our first finding. So we are halfway with this box. And since we have it, let's look at the link, the hint, OWASP do not brute force. Yeah. So now we need to get the root flag. And the root flag is, whoopsie daisy, is, let me just clear this. So we have the password. So let's do some sudo dash l. And see if we can do any pseudo stuff. What? James 13. Wow. That's not his password. Okay. To do. Let me just look. What does it do? Random password somewhere in the sticky. Don't forget it. Right? Update Overpass encryption. Has been complaining that is not strong enough. Write down your password somewhere on a sticky note that don't forget it. Wait, we make a password manager. Why don't we reduce that? Test Overpass for. Yeah. What is this? Permission denied. What is this? This is only TryHackMe. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So let's look into James again and do a full look in the folder. We see stuff like we have the SSH key, but we don't really need that anymore because we already have stuff. So let's go back. Cat. We're gonna cat out this that Overpass. No idea what that is. Oh, it's a sorry. It's a folder. No. It's not a folder. Cat.overpass. I was totally. Oh. What is this? Okay. So let's cat out what's inside profile. Yeah. Okay. So nothing crazy going on there. Let's do this to do again because I think we missed something. It says write down your own personal sticky note. Build find actually work automated build script. Okay, so that might be a let's check the cron tab. A cron there is a okay. So root is running this download build script.sh. So let's what's that? Did I take all of it? I totally did. Okay. Build script.sh because I'm no. Where is this? That's weird. Alright, so anyways, we have this running and we need to find out how to exploit this. Let's assume that just for now that, you know, this is running this script from this particular folder here. Now, what if we make the server think that this domain is our machine, my TryHackMe machine. So we're gonna place this script on, you know, in a folder with some backdoor like this. We don't really care about all this. We just care about this because it's been executed by root. So we could probably make a reverse shell and a listener, and then. So what if we? But that requires we can write in the host file, which is, oh whoa, yeah, okay, we can read and write it. Incredible. So let's just do that then. So what if we overpass is, whoa, nope. So 10, 11, 0, 2, 1, which is my machine. Save. Incredible. So what if we then went to my machine? Oh, this is just a guess. And let's create a folder called web and VB clear. Make the what is it called again? Downloads. And inside downloads we make a directory called source. And here we're gonna touch a file and we call it build script. Now let's just do this and call it with a number 2 first, because I don't want the server to go nuts about this. So what we could do here is some reverse shell of some sort. We're gonna pick this one. So I guess that's okay. And then just say on this typical port that I use, let's connect directly to 10, 11, 0, 2, 1. Yes, exactly. And then let's take another, what is this? No idea. And then let's just take a, say, netcat listener, and let's do like that. And let's go to this folder there. Let's do Python, what? Already in use. Oh yeah. Service Apache to stop. I have an Apache server running, just forgot about that. Then let's run it. And from what I understand, this is a cron job running already. Let me see one more time where we have it. There. So it should be any minute now. I'm just gonna pause the video until it gets back. It should be popping up just in this window here. So yeah, we definitely got a hit. We can see in the web server here that, you know, it's being That's 4.4. Very interesting. Well, the good thing is that this does actually work. So, was it the correct one? Downloads, source. Oh, damn it. To dash source. My bad. So, this is. Can I hit the? Thank you. Alright, then let's start the server one more time. Let's just hurry up. Boom. Okay. So let's see if we get the hit. So we definitely will get the hit on the web server. At the same time we're getting the hit, we should also get a direct connection here. So we can just wait and see what happens. And the timer is, I think it's going to be a few more seconds. Now while this runs, we can just talk about what I'm trying to do here. It's basically just the target contains a cron job here that's gonna be executed every like 1 minute, I think it is, and it kind of tells us to look at Overpass, but in the host file it was noted as the, oh, there we go, and we have a root shell. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna cat root, I don't know, root.txt, that it. So now we have the root flag. Let me just quickly take it before it's decides not to give it to me. So what really happens here is, let me just quickly get it all back, is that when every minute when this script is being called, it kind of looks for this domain here, and yeah, it does some curl and stuff, but that's just a text browser. But it gets this, so it's like a GET request, and then I could inside of here nano to host, and then make it look for my machine. Now this wouldn't be possible in the same way if I couldn't edit hosts. Then I would need to edit the cron tab, and I don't know if that's possible, so let's try. Now that we have finished it all, I don't know if that would be possible. Let's check it too, and permission denied. Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to do it like that, so I would definitely need to find another way, or brute force or something, you know, that's always a possibility. But from this on, we got root, and we won, we own the box. And I really hope you enjoyed this room. It's called Overpass. Straightforward, I guess. If you like the video and you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing. Click the bell, leave a comment below, everything of the normal things you should say. You know, I hope you learned something, you enjoyed the video, so just gonna say bye bye and see you again next time.